Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today we are going to look at Surds. Write root 300 plus root 48 minus 2 root 75. Solution: root of 300 plus root of 48 minus 2 root of 75 can be expressed as root of 300 is root of 100 times 3 plus root of 48 is root of 16 times 3 minus 2 root of 25 times 3. The next step, we distribute the roots. We have root of 100 times root of 3 plus root of 16 times root of 3 minus 2 root of 25 times root of 3. Next step, root of 100 is 10 times root 3 plus root of 16 is 4 times root 3 minus 2 times root of 5 is 5 times root 3. Next step, we can write 10 times root 3 in short to be 10 root 3 plus 4 times root 3 is 4 root 3 minus 2 times 5 gives us 10 times root 3 gives us 10 root 3. Root 3 is common, then we have 10 plus 4 minus 10 all times root 3. 10 cancel 10, left with 4 root 3. In the form a root of 3, therefore a is equal to 4. Now we take another example. We call this first one example 1. And we take example 2. Now we take the second example. We say solution. We write 2 all over 2 plus root 3. What we do here, we have to rationalize the denominator by multiplying by the conjugate, which implies 2 over 2 plus root 3 times 2. We change the sign, root 3, which is the conjugate, all over 2 minus root 3. We can write this to be 2 into 2 minus root 3 all over 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. We continue. 2 times 2 gives us 4. 2 times minus root 3 gives us 2 minus root 3 all over 2 times 2 gives us 4. 2 times minus root 3 gives us minus 2 root 3. Root 3 times 2 gives us plus 2 root 3. And root 3 times minus root 3 gives us minus 3. This is the same thing as 4 minus 2 root 3 all over minus 2 root 3. We cancel plus 2 root 3, left with 4 minus 3. Then we have 4 minus 2 root 3 all over 1. Then our answer becomes 4 minus 2 root 3. In the form, we go back to the question, a minus b root of 3, where a is equal to 4 and b is equals to minus 2 as the final answer. If this helped, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.